All right, we're here with Kate, and she was going to send a little bit of her testimony. Can you tell us how you first heard about Abundant Life Chiropractic?
Well, I quilt with some ladies, and I hadn't been going for maybe a year, and I went one day, and two of my friends were there, and one of my friends stood up and walked from the table, and I was amazed because she always had to use either a walker, a cane, or when we would go on little trips, she would use a scooter. And so I was really flabbergasted because, like I said, I hadn't seen her for a year. So I asked her what she'd done. It was miraculous, and she had lost probably 100 pounds. I mean, she just looked absolutely wonderful. And she and her friend, Jan and June, told me that they were coming to Dr. Zaino, and they invited me to a talk. And I just knew I needed to be here. That's all. Yeah.
So give us an idea, before you started your corrective care, how were you at that time?
I would have pain in my lower right side, down at my waist and hip, and in my neck and shoulder, all on the right side.
Okay. So now that you're under corrective care, how are you healing now?
Oh, it's miraculous. What a difference. I used to not be able to lay on my right side, and one day I just realized I was, and I was like, oh my gosh, here I am, yay. And so it's been wonderful, and I don't have near the pain. I mean, it's almost like none. Sometimes I just want to put a smiley face on my paper and hand it in when they ask for where you hurt. And I used to use an inhaler for my asthma, and probably 2 months, maybe even less into treatment, I haven't used it since. Carry it in my purse, but I haven't used it. Don't even know if it works anymore. But anyways, it's been a wonderful trip, and I'm so thankful for the healing. And every day when I come in and I stand on that vibrating plate, I always give thanks and pray for the doctors and for the healing that is going on here at Abundant Life.
Excellent. So the last question, people out there who have yet to hear of corrective care chiropractic or Abundant Life, what would you tell them?
Oh, you need to hear Dr. Zaino's testimony, and just come and give it a try. It's just life-changing.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.